Hello, welcome back. I remain Chinwe Aro Ezekiel from RAF Creative Agency. In this session, I will show you how to create Amazon KDP account. In case you don't know what KDP is, KDP simply means Kindle Direct Publishing. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to create Amazon KDP account so that you can start publishing your book. Alright, now what I have to do is to open your browser like I have opened mine, then type kdp.amazon.com. Now hit enter your keyboard. Alright, okay. Here is the KDP account, the KDP interface, sorry. So it says publish your ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. Okay, and before you create a KDP account, you need to have an account with Amazon because KDP is being owned by Amazon. Alright, so you have to create an Amazon account. Alright, so to create an Amazon account, you have to click on sign up. Okay, now here it says email or phone number, password. Alright, so it says new to KDP, create your KDP account. So I'll click here, it's going to load right now. Okay, so for you to create Amazon KDP account, you need to enter your first name. These are the things required: your name, your first and the last name, your email, password. Then you enter your password and click create. Then you have to verify your email. They are going to send a confirmation email. Okay, now you have to verify your email. After the verification, the next you're going to do is to log into your account. Creating the account is very simple, like I have talked about it. Okay, I'll show you how you can do that. Your first name, your email, your password, then you click on create your KDP account. Alright, but I have an account for the purpose of this course. Okay, I created a new account without any book on it. It's a fresh account. Okay, so let me log into that account right now. I'll click on sign in. So I'll enter my email for the fresh account. Then here I'll enter the password. After entering the password, I'll now click on sign in. So that is it. Now I have finally signed to my account. If you check very well, see that there is no book here. There is no book here. Okay. Now to show you there is no book, let me sign into one of my accounts where I have books. Okay, so that you confirm that what I'm saying is the truth. Okay, so let me sign into my other account. You can see books here. Alright, you can see books here, like this one. This is a fresh account. There is no book. See that there is no book, and here is another one. There are books here, not book. There are books here. You can see. Okay, so, and if you check very well, you see that these books are live. See, they are live. They are live here. Alright. Okay. So that is how you can create Amazon KDP accounts. Then sign into your account. Alright. On the next session, I'm going to show you how to publish your book. Okay, I'm going to show you how to publish your book to KDP like I'm doing on this account. I'm going to show you how to publish your KDP book, how to publish your books to Amazon Kindle Direct. Alright, so thank you for watching this course. Alright, now see you on the next video.